when you dream and you find that someone is giving you a watch, or you look a clock telling time, or someone is asking a question about the time, what time is it? Unaona kuna saa mbele yako, unaona unapewa saa, unaulizwa kwa habari ya muda, ujue kwamba ni wakati wako wa kushine. Maybe it's something that you have been expecting, something you have been waiting for, you are going to receive it. Kuna vitu unavitegemea uvipate, unaomba Mungu akupe, ni wakati wako sasa kupokea vitu. So maybe there was some satanic power, demonic spirit, maybe you were hindering, there was an obstacle at the time for you to be free. Everything is going to be away from you. So that's